We'll be asking the questions, old man. Who are you?
You.
No, not me, you.
Yes, I am you.
Just answer the damn questions. Who are you?
I have told you.
Are you deaf?
No, you is blind.
I'm not blind, you blind.
That is what I just said.
You just said what?
I did not say what. I said you.
That's what I'm asking you.
And you is answering.
Shut up. You.
Yes?
Not you, him. What's your name?
Me.
Yes, you.
I am me.
He's me. And I'm you.
And I'm about to whoop your old ass, man, because I'm sick of playing games. You, me, everybody's ass.
Malo Lele. So this is what you call tui tui. And before body lotion and soap even came to Tonga, this is what our ancestors used, and I will show you that today. First thing you have to do is crack the nuts. Now I couldn't find the hammer, so I'm just gonna use this. I don't even know what it is, but let's go. Second step is getting that white thing out of the shell. So let's go. This is the final part, and it goes something like this. You also eat it with this. So here's the tui tui. You can use it as lotion, so you would just put it on your skin like this. Put it on your skin. If you have any question, you can always ask me, because I know a lot of people will have a lot of questions because I just ate it and I put it back in my hand and now I'm taking a shower with it. I know, but it is what it is.
I don't know about you, but I have never seen so much pain in one photo.
Hi, son. What do you need?
I was wondering if we could get some toilet paper.
Okay, I send you a box. Okay, toilet paper. Did he also say mayonnaise? The mayonnaise. I think he also wanted corned beef. Corned beef. He also needs rice. Rice. Saimini. Saimini. Oh, my son is diabetic. We need to get him some shuka. Dad! What else did Tata need? Tuna. What? Tuna. Tuna. Okay, that's good for now. Wait, forgot one thing. Oto mafi.
Tulo moi hoe iki oi kolo talaa kai whakahoko atu ho mawhanonga ne mawhola umai e ni he wahanoa ke tau ko tatala mohi wakakala ka whehu i lewa ho mauhingoa kono no sina a ho mauki I waka.
You never speak in Tongan until...
Manu, shut your mouth up, tiger, you see, go.
When you're representing the family but need to pay your bills.
Manatu mahina hopo helangi maa hulungia si ofo.
That bear is big. Oh, sorry.
Hi, boy.
So tell me what to do.
I am old enough. And you?
What about me?
Don't annoy me while I'm sleeping.
So we had a tulip bale battle, and this how it went.
Your overprotective brother won't let you be great. This is how I'ma pull up if my boys get in a fight.
Gonna ride it, do it just how you like it tonight.
Hey, let me show you how to make a coconut hat just like this one. Choo! Now if you don't know what a coconut tree looks like, it looks just like that, alright? Now first thing we're going to do is strip the coconut leaf because we don't need that middle piece, alright? We just want to use the leaves just like this here. Now what we're doing is size your head like that, then you got to cut where you sized it at. Next thing you got to do is tie the two ends together just like that so that it can go around your head. And now it's time to weave, alright? You want to make sure all the leaves are pointing the same way, just like that, and that's the way you're going to weave, alright? Now unfortunately I will not be able to finish this on part 1, so please do not forget to like, comment down below the word pulo, just so I know you learned a little Samoan, which means hat. And also, do not forget to follow and share, family. Stay tuned for part 2. Choo!
So picture me and you in paradise on an island only made for two. Yeah, girl, just me and you. Just me and you. We gon' hold this and then.
Get up, get up. Get up. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up, get up.
When you let the boys perform, and they come with this part too.
Let's go. T-Rock. I'm good all the time.